All right, this is a '05 Impala. He had trouble with the wire burning out behind here, straight to the fuse box. I had to cut. I was trying to see what fuse it did go to the crank fuse, but it wouldn't start, and the wire was burned out. He said he saw smoke coming out, and I did find little spots, and it was a blue wire that ran into a red wire. And so, having said all of that, it ended up being a grounding problem. I saw a few guys on YouTube said they was having grounding problems down that way by the starter. Starter checked out good, but anyway, it ended up being a grounding. So we ended up grounding it from here to the battery. Started right up, placed the wire, no problem. So it was a simple fix. It was a big headache to do it. '05 Chevy Impala, 3800 engine, wouldn't start, wouldn't turn over, and it was a grounding problem, like some of the other guys had already mentioned. Simple fix.